Friends, are you fine? Today we are going to start practice set 6.2 because yesterday we are learned practice set 6.1 completely. So today we are start practice set 6.2. So in practice set 6.2 today we are want to learn it 1, 2 and 3 problems. Okay, we are going to learn problem number 1, problem number 2 and problem number 3. So just we start from problem number 1. So see the problem number 1 that is given on a screen. A person is standing at distance of 80 centimeter from a church. Means there is a person and that person is standing in front of the church. So what will be the distance between church and person? So distance between church and person is 80 meter. Looking at its top, and that person is just look towards the top. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. So angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of the church. So all of the students remember that when in the problem they are said you want to find out the height, then you are use tan theta only. When you want to find out height of anything, if you want to find out height of anything, then you are use tan theta. Because all of the students are confused in the words problem, they are just they don't know when we are using tan theta, when we are using cot theta, when we are using sin theta, when we are using cos theta. Such a way there are the problem for the students. So I am give you some idea that if you want to find out height, then you can use the tan theta. Means you can find out the tan theta. So if you find out the tan theta, then you can get height. So if you want to find out distance between any two things, so if you want to find out distance between any two things, then you are use the cot theta. Okay, then you are use the cot theta. Cot theta is for what? Distance. If you want to find out angle between two things, then you are use the sin theta. If you want to find out angle between the two things, then you are use the sin theta. If you want to find out hypotenuse, then you are use the sin theta as well as the cosec theta also. Means in between two you can use sin theta or cosec theta, such a way. So here is you want to find out height, so we are finding the tan theta of this problem. So see, I am first draw the diagram and then I will explain you what is it. So first we are completed the diagram. So see, this AB is a church. What is called this AB? So this AB is a church. Okay, so from the church at point C, that C point means a person. Okay, so from 80 meter from the church, so this AB is a church. See, this AB is a church. So from AB church, from 80 meter distance there is a person. See, at that point there is a person is standing at that straight, and this person is looking towards the top of the church. So when the person is looking towards the top of the church, then there is forming the angle 45 degree angle. Okay, so there is forming the angle 45 degree. So what you want to find out? So you want to find out height. So if you want to find out height, then you can use the tan theta. So here is we can write here what I just said. This AB is the church. I am already said AB is the church. BC is the distance between person and church. Okay, so C is the position they are said where the observer is stand, means that person is stand. And angle ACB, it is the angle of elevation. Why it is the angle of elevation? Because person is looking from base to top. So when person is looking at top sides, then this is the angle of elevation, and when the person is looking downward direction, the angle of inclinations. So this is the difference. So here is the person is standing on a road and just see top of the church, so there is the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation ACB is equal to how many? 45 degree. Okay, so BC is the distance between church and person. So BC is equal to 8 meter. Angle of ACB is equal to 45 degree. So I write 45 degree and here is reason given. So in right angle triangle, so this is the, all of you remember that when you are using the trigonometry solve problems, then you are use only right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the ABC is the right angle triangle, and this is the 45 degree. So we are using the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to, what is the tan theta? 45. Theta is given 45. Tan means what? Tan means OA. OA means what? Opposite divided by adjacent. OA means opposite divided by adjacent. So 45 degree opposite AB. So here is the right tan 45 degree opposite AB. And OM, A means adjacent. So BC is the adjacent. So here is AB upon BC. So here is right AB upon BC. Because tan means OA, OA means O means opposite. So see, this is the 45 degree angle. So 45 degree opposite is AB. This is the AB. So I write here AB, and adjacent is BC. So I write here BC. Adjacent is BC. So tan 45 is equal to AB upon BC. Okay. Then you are finding the 45 degree value. So what is the 45 degree value? So 45 degree value is 1. So I write there 1. AB is remain as it is. BC is 80. So I write here 80. Cross multiplication. BC means distance between the person and church. So BC is equal to 80. So I write here 80. Cross multiplication. 81 is 80. So AB is equal to 80 meter. So such a way, this AB is the height of the church, that you get 80 meter. Very simple. Very simple problems. Remember that when you want to find out height, you can find out the tan theta. Then we are going to learn problem number 2. What is it? From the top of the lighthouse, an observer looking at ship makes angle of depression. Why angle of depression? Because lighthouse is the topper position. Okay, lighthouse is the topper position. So from top position he see down below. So there is the angle of depression is there. Okay, angle of depression is 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meter, so height of that lighthouse is given 90 meter. Find how far the ship is. How far the ship is means you want to find out distance between lighthouse and ships. Okay, so see, first we can draw the diagram, and afterwards I will explain the problem. What is it? So see, this is the AB. So this AB is the lighthouse. Okay, this is the AB. That AB is the lighthouse. So this AB lighthouse height is 90 meter. So that AB lighthouse, so that height is 90 meter. So here is written AB height is 90 meter. And at this lighthouse there is a person is stand and see towards the ship. Here is the sea, and in this sea there is a ship. So that person can looking towards the ships. So when that person looking towards the ship, then that can be look downward direction. Okay, so the lighthouse person is looking towards the ship, but they are see towards the downward direction. So here is written 60 degree, that is downward direction. Okay, so it is depression, angle of depression we are said. So see here, we don't know the how many angle is here. So that angle means angle C you want to find out. So see, from this lighthouse, if you draw line, that line is given name AD. So you see this AD is parallel to BC. Okay, see this AD, it is the lighthouse. This is person is stand here. So from A point we can draw line AD. So this line AD is parallel to BC. Because AD and BC, they are not intersect each other, so they are parallel. And this AC is a transversal. So AC is a transversal. So angle A and this angle C, they are the alternate angles of each other. See, this angle A and this angle C, they are the alternate angles of each other. So if they are the alternate angles of each other, so they are congruent. So angle DAC congruent with angle ACB. How many it is? 60 degree, because alternate angles are congruent. So here is written here 60 degree. How can I get 60 degree? Are you understand? This A angle and C angle, they are alternate angle, and alternate angle are congruent. So here is the right 60 degree. Solutions mean what you are consider, that can be right in the solution. So I already explained you this AB is the lighthouse. Okay, it is a lighthouse. So that AB lighthouse height, this AB is the lighthouse. So height of the AB is 90 meters. So here is I write 90 meter. Then C is the position where the ship is having. So see, this is the C. At that position of C there is ship having. So that lighthouse person A is looking towards the ships. So the lighthouse is the topper, that is a 90-meter height. So from 90 meter that person is looking towards the ship. So it is looking downward direction. So when that person is looking downward direction, then there is the angle from this angle is angle of depression. Okay, so that is called angle of depression. So AD is we are draw the AD which is parallel to BC. Okay, which is parallel to BC, and this angle DAC is the angle of depression, that is the 60 degree. So this A angle and this C angle, they are the alternate angles of each other. So they are the alternate angles of each other. So angle DAC is equal to 60 degree and angle ACB is equal to also 60 degree. Okay, so here is we want to find out tan theta. So why? Because this is the height is given, but with help of that you can find out this. So tan theta, tan means OA means opposite divided by adjacent, so 60 degree opposite AB, so I write here AB. Adjacent is BC, so I write here BC. So tan 60 is equal to AB upon BC. So I substitute the value. Tan 60 value is root 3, so I write here root 3. Tan 60 value is root 3, so I write here root 3. AB is the what? AB is the lighthouse height. So what is the height of AB? 90, so I write here 90. BC I don't know what is it, so BC is kept as it is. So here is BC is kept as it is. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means root 3 is multiplying BC here. So 90 upon root 3. So 90 upon root 3. So we are doing rationalization. Rationalization means what? Rationalization means the denominator is written. Denominator is written into the third sign. So that number can be removed from this third sign. That is called rationalization. So how can you do rationalization? If denominator is root 3. If denominator is root 3, so that is multiplying also root 3 denominator, and this root 3 multiplying also numerator. Rationalization means you remove the third sign. So whatever be the number, that number multiply. Here is root 3, so multiply by root 3. If here is root 5, then multiply by root 5. If here is root 7, then multiply by root 7. If here is root 11, then multiply by root 11. And you understand? That is called rationalization. So here is root 3, so multiply the denominator by root 3 and same number multiplying to numerator. So 90 into root 3 you get 90 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 you get 3, because root A into root A, root B into root B. Such a way root 3 into root 3 you get 3. So 90 into root 3 you get 90 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 you get 3. So that 3 is divided 90. 3 3 is 9, 3 0 0. So you get BC is equal to 30 root 3. So that is the value of BC you are getting. But this root 3 value is given in the textbook. So root 3 value is 1.73. Okay, root 3 value is 1.73. So I substitute the value of root 3 or 1.73. So 30 into 1.73. We are doing the multiplication of this. So whatever be the multiplication, 51.9. So this is the distance between ship and lighthouse, 51.9 meter. This problem is very important, my students. This is coming in exam so many times. So you have practiced this problem so many times. So that is 51.9 meter is the distance between ship and lighthouse. Then this is the last problem in this lecture. Two buildings are facing each other on a road. Means there are the two buildings, this building and this building. They are facing each other, and between they are having the road. Okay, so two buildings are facing each other on road. Of width is 12 meter. Means this building and this building, there is a between this road. So that road is 12 meter. Okay, means distance between they are having the road. So that road width is 12 meter. From the top of the first building, which is 10 meter height, म्हणजे पहिली बिल्डिंग आहे त्याची हाईट किती आहे 10 मीटर, that height is 10 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the second is found to be 60 degree. What is the height of the second? What you want to find out? You want to find out height of the building, second buildings. So here is we can draw the diagram. So first we can draw diagram, labeling the diagram, and afterwards we can solve the problem. Okay, so here is such a way. This is the AB building. This is the AB building. That AB building height is 10 meter. So I give here 10 meter. This is the another building. That is the that height of the building you want to find out. So that height of the building you want to find out. So here is first see, this is 10 meter. Here is right angle forming. Here is right angle forming. So if this is 10 meter, then this D is equal to also 10 meter. Okay, because right angle opposite sides are congruent. So right angle rectangles opposite sides are congruent. So if it is 10 meter, then it is 10 meter. So D is equal to 10 meter. Then rectangle another side is BD. So BD is equal to 12 meter. So BD is opposite AE. AE is equal to 12 meter. So with help of that we can find out that distance. So see here, the let segment AB and segment CD, mean this building is CD. So here having CD building are represented two building. BD is the distance between the two building. See, this BD is the distance between the two building, that is the road. Segment BD represent the road, and AE is represented the horizontal angle CAE. So that angles opposite side is CE. Okay, so angle CAE, CA and E is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so with help of that you want to find out another thing. AB is equal to 10 meter, BD is equal to 12 meter, angle CA is equal to 60 degree. So this is the angle ACB and angle DSC are alternate angle ACB. So this is the angle ACB and this is the angle DAC. So they are the alternate angles, so they are congruent. Then CAE is equal to 60 degree. So we are solve the problem. ABCD is a rectangle. Why it is a rectangle? Because they are 90-90 angle. Each angle is 90 degree and opposite sides are congruent. So it is a rectangle. So C, D is equal to AB. Because this is 10 meter, so both having 10. D is equal to AB is equal to 10 meter. Then another AE is equal to BD. So AE and BD is a 12 meter. So here is right 12 meter. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay, so they are congruent. Then in right angle CEA, we want to find out that CEA tan 60 is equal to C upon AE. Suppose some of the students don't understand. So I am going back to show the rectangle here. So see, this is the rectangle C, this is E and this is A. So C rectangle, this is the tan 60 you are using. Tan means OA, opposite is C, divided by adjacent is A. Okay, are you seen in the diagram? Anyone doubts having here? See, this is the triangle. See, here is C, here is E, here is A. This is the CA triangle. In that CA triangle, this is the 60. So opposite side you want to find out. So tan 60 is equal to C upon A. Okay, I will explain you with help of the diagram also. I hope that you are understand this. So tan 60 is equal to opposite C divided by adjacent A. So substitute the value of tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. C I don't know. A is no. What is it? 12. So 12 into root 3. You are multiplying. How can you get root 3? Tan 60 value is root 3. So tan 60 I write here root 3. C I don't know. A is I know that A 12. So I write here 12. Cross multiplication. 12 into root 3. So C is equal to root 3. So here is root 3 value in this problem is not given. So this root 3 is remain as it is. So 12 root 3 plus opposite side is 10 meter. So here also opposite side is 10 meter. So that is the CD is equal to 12 root 3 plus 10 meter is the height of the second building. Anyone doubts? Then this is the homework given to you all of the students. You solve this homework, send me on my WhatsApp number. Stay home, stay safe, and do your study